The Huawei P20 Pro is undeniably one of the best-looking and best-built phones the company has ever made. Unlike the Huawei P10 Plus, the P20 Pro features a glass back that sits comfortably in the hand. It has rounded edges on the rear so it nicely sits in your palm, and it feels like the optimum size for a smartphone. It's a touch bigger than the Huawei P20, but we found it easier to hold because of the curved rear and a smartly thought-out design. There are metal edges to the device, but these are also rounded, and don't poke into your hand. The power button sits on the right-hand edge and the back of the phone is plain, apart from the branding emblazoned down the edge and the 3 cameras at the top of the handset. Unlike the Huawei P20, this phone is waterproof, with an IP67 rating. That means it'll survive the odd accidental dunk in the sink, but Huawei has also given this as an excuse for not including the 3.5mm headphone jack. If you want to use wired headsets with the phone, you'll have to use a dongle that'll be included in the box. Color options are black and midnight blue for the standard design, while there's a gradient finish on both the twilight and pink gold options. That's Huawei's name for the finish, which shows a spectrum of colors depending on what angle you're looking at the device from, and the lighting. We particularly like the twilight version, as it looks different to anything we've seen on a phone before, and the gradient effect isn't as impressive on the pink gold version. The P20 Pro has a huge 6.1-inch 18:9 aspect ratio OLED display, but thanks to its almost bezel-less design it doesn't feel like a phone with that large a screen. The display is Full HD+, so it doesn't look as stunning as the Samsung Galaxy S9 display, but it's still a looker, and grabs your eye immediately when it's turned on. At the top of the screen is the notch, which houses the front-facing camera and speaker. If you want you can hide the notch by replacing the screen on either side of it with an on-screen black bezel on which the time and your notifications are displayed. You'll lose a little in terms of overall screen size, but you may prefer the cleaner look.